waist down.
Okay, go.
So when you waist down the board, it has a special animal to go. And sometimes they have an accident down the hill. And then you have to push it along the road in the wind, and then it goes down the special hiding place. And then it goes down the south of the valley. And sometimes mine gets stuck. And I have to try it again. And then it goes up, and then sometimes it gets bumpy when it goes up. And then that way zigzag, and then dig in the tail, and then go further tunnels to zigzag. And special pump is going up. You haven't gone up until you can't go down until you get to the finish